Hey everybody, my name is Jerry Fu. I'm a leadership coach working with OCA-Greater Houston to put on some virtual leader development workshops. Our next one is January 16th at 10 a.m., covering effective communication and conversations. The problem we see with leadership oftentimes comes down to communication. Whether it's struggling to get your point across, where people aren't hearing what you're trying to say, or if people's understanding doesn't lead to the proper action you're expecting from them, or if you're just struggling to resolve conflict in a way that restores integrity with your organization, this is the workshop that you need to attend. We will be going over 4 types of conversations you can use to help get results that you're looking for and to maintain integrity in your organizations. So please sign up using the link below. We'd love to see you there.